students, in a series of parameter. Today's topic is parameter of a square. In last video we have understood that parameter is equals to sum of sides. Let us take this concept here too. Here is a square and we know that a square has 4 equal sides. So here we know parameter equals to sum of sides. So in case of a square, if sum of sides are AB plus BC plus CD plus DA and we know that all lengths are equal, let us give them side. So side plus side plus side plus side, and we can write this as 4 multiply sides with the rule of that multiplication is a repeated addition. Now parameter equals to 4 into side in case of a square. So it is our formula that parameter of a square equals to 4 multiply side. Now let us use the formula and find out the parameter of following squares. First is 4.7 meter. Formula will be same, that parameter of a square equal to 4 multiply side. So let us put the value of side, that is 4 multiplied by 4.7 meter, and after multiplying we will get this 18.8 meter. For the second square, 4 multiplied by side equals to parameter of a square. Same formula we will apply, and 4 multiplied by 8.9 centimeter, that is equals to 35.6 centimeter. Now let us solve one word problem. How much lace will be needed to put around a square cushion of side 65 centimeter? What will be the cost of lace required if the lace costs rupees 8 per meter? So here is a cushion, a square cushion, and you know that side of square cushion is 65 centimeter, and because it is a square, that's why all sides are equal. Now we need to find out parameter of a square, which is 4 multiplied by side. So let us find out parameter equals to 260 centimeter, which is the length of lace. Now we will convert this into meter, and in meter we can write it 2.6 meter. The cost of 1 meter lace equals to rupees 8 is given to you. So what is the cost of 2.6 meter lace? Just multiply it. 2.6 multiply 8 and it is rupees 20.8. Now we have understood that how to calculate parameter of a square, and the formula is this 4 into sides. But if formula of side we need to calculate, it means parameter of a square is given to you and you need to find out the side of a square. Then how you will calculate? You can find out the formula by yourself. It is very simple. You know that 4 into side equals to parameter of a square. If we need to find out side, let us transfer this 4 to other side. So your formula is ready. Side equals to parameter of a square by 4. Let us find out the side of a square with the help of this formula when parameter is given. Here is one question is where parameter is 36 meter for a square. So you know that formula we have already calculated, that is parameter of a square by 4. So let us divide this parameter by 4, and what you will get? The side of a square, 9 meter. In similar way for this square also, side equals to 10.4 by 4, which is equals to 2.6 centimeter. Word problems are always easy. A rope of length 24 meter was used to fence off a square patch of a land for a garden. It means parameter is given to you. Find the length of side of a square garden. Very simple. Rope of length equals to 24 meter, which is parameter, and side we need to calculate. So how? 24 by 4, and it is equals to 6 meter. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.